Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffat. Guys, I want to give a shout out to a channel and recommend that you go watch Treebark Productions. I've been watching them for at least 3 or 4 years. The channel focuses specifically on stop motion videos, making little films, stop motion films, and he doesn't get that many views, considering the amount of work that goes into the videos and the films. Stop motion is old. People who have been making stop motion animated films for 100 years, and they're always amazing, magical little things to watch because it requires the creator to move an object in the film a fraction of an inch at a time. If you want to get a character in a scene through a room to go out a door, it could take you an hour, taking one little frame at a time, moving that character. Juxtapose that with today, we have programs that will allow you to tell a program that make me a film about two chickens in Oklahoma City that open a restaurant and are having a fight with a Chinese restaurant across the street, and it has to involve cannibals, vampires, and lots of cats. And they should all speak like Jonathan Winters and Shaquille O'Neal. So 20 minutes later, you're uploading that video, that film. There wasn't very much creativity put into it. Where Treebark Productions, they make stop motion films, but at a very high level. The cinema photography that is being used to create these videos is wonderful. The wide, huge variety of shots, angles, the composition, also the audio is varied. There's a big depth layers of sound and audio that took a lot of time and effort to plan and produce and tweak and perfect. You have also, you're just working with little Lego. You have to assemble the things that you're making out of Lego. So like there's the creativity and the craft of actually making the objects that you're seeing. Let's say you have a ship and you want to have it seem like it's going through waves. You have a whole two-dimensional layer of little Lego things, and as the ship comes through, the Legos are dispersed and like waves are forming in front of the ship as it goes through these Legos or whatever they call them, Kobe, or the little tiny bricks. But it looks like it's going through water, and there's little birds made out of Lego flying through the air, and there's characters up on the bridge, and people are being shot, and there's drama going on, and sound and action, and within seconds of watching the movie, you're captured and transported into a world where these things are real, and these little characters, they're the things that are happening, they're really happening, and it's magical, and it's all done through weeks and weeks of just moving stuff a little bit at a time, and the craftsmanship, the artistic creations, the cinematography, the sound, the story writing, it's wonderful, and it's completely unappreciated when nowadays we have so much slop that is being presented to us, and people are complaining about it all the time. They don't like AI-slop. They're tired of all the slop that's being thrown up onto YouTube. But at the same time, we have somebody for 5 years has been making amazing, creative, wonderful films, not videos. They've been making film. Been making cinematic style film in stop motion, and it's occasionally he gets a few thousand. Some of them, like the Titanic and a few others, he got over 1 million on those. But I think he has 288 videos for the last 5 years, and a lot of them don't get a lot of views. They certainly get more than my stuff, but I have a variety channel, so it's different every week. So you never know. I don't expect people to stay or watch my stuff, and I don't have the same level of a competency and creativity that's going on at the Treebark Production channel. I'm going to start. I'm going not start, but I'm going to feature the channel now at the bottom. Check out the other people I featured over the years at the bottom of my channel, and also check out Treebark Productions. And think about all of the work that goes into creating the objects, filming the objects, editing the scenes, adding in the layers of sound and action and dialogue, and it's just like the amount of work that goes into these things. They're each one is a labor of love, and I just think with all the billions of people watching YouTube, Treebark Productions should be getting so much more attention and love and viewers than they really do get. So it's just one of many. People tell you all the time for years that if you want to succeed on YouTube, content is king. You just have to make really good content. Well, sometimes I have noticed people making really good content and nobody watches. So it's disheartening. So you want to support people when you see them making really good stuff and not getting rewarded like other people are rewarded for sometimes. Will it blend? Just the goofiest, dumb stuff. So this is really good stuff at Treebark Productions. You want to go check them out. And I think you'll be surprised. Even if you don't appreciate the theme of what he is producing, like a lot of it is like war movie stuff and drama stuff, but just watch it for the level of detail and workmanship that went into making this movie. Little scenes, one little frame at a time. It's a work of art. It's a work of love. If you appreciate film and filmmaking, I think you should check out Treebark Productions. And if you go and subscribe, tell them Rob sent you. All right, guys. Hope you're having a good day. Take care. See you out there.